Babies. All that around. All that around. Wait, you do that? Quiet. Everyone, quiet. I definitely heard something. I see it. Hold on, hold on. Just a little further. There, you can see it now. Oh my god. Babies. Who do this? I got you. Bro, I need to make a time for. So cold. Hang on, babies. It's too warm. Go ahead, come. Stay with me. What do you want? 4 puppies. We're going through you. I'll have to bring these out now. Grab them, fast. Good boy, you're a great one. Don't worry, we'll find your solution soon. This one's in trouble breathing. Barely hang on, Tiny. Just hang on. He does together then. Sit back, I need to show you 4 puppies. We're going through you. Commissioner, 2 here for any shot. Grab the warm them. 86 degrees, way too low. Warm slowly, shock is danger. Shallow breathing. Hold on, Tiny. I have the puppies stirred. Air warming up. Tiny is cold. What? Satisfy urges. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, breathe. Come on, that one. Keep on here. Keep breathing. Keep on here. Oh, thank God. All right, that one. You're all right. You're okay, baby. Stay with me. You're okay. All right, he's stable. Keep him warm, Sarah. So now that we're all night. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. And who more? Good boys. Look at me, Tiny. We're almost there. Just hold on till morning. We'll be safe here. You're faster. Puppy. Nice. Nice. Almost there, babies. I'm your buddy. I'm your buddy. We're coming. Let's take them. They're so tiny. We're glad you help. He's doing well, little one. Heart 1 0 trying to climb. That's surprising. Tiny's fight. This whole steady. This one's probably stable. Got the other probably. He did show them. These two won't separate. They're perfectly synchronized. Stay together. Even here today. I'll take them. She's fighting, improving daily. You're doing so good, baby. She knows you. Oh, wow. All coordinated. Incredible. Hey, great boy. You boy. He's bonded to you. Those are completely bonded. I'm gonna separate anyway. Let her go, my little fire. No, who does this? Who do this? They're in foster. We're working together. I understand. I'll send both. And you're foster? I can't split them off. I can't leave them. I'm gonna adopt them. All 4. All 4. They survive together. They stay together. That weather. This is wonderful. You and family together. Thank you for saving them. Good luck. Let's go home, honey. There. You can go. Let's go. We're brothers. Let's go home, babies. Almost home, buddy. Welcome home, little ones. This is forever. Welcome to your forever home. Welcome to your forever home. It's okay. It's yours. It's okay. It's yours. It's okay. It's yours. Good boy. Be here and check it out. It's safety. Here's one. That's your bed, honey. Go ahead and stay here. You two, everything together. Oh. Come here, babies. I love you all so much. You're all home now. Good boys. Wine. You're all mine. You're safe now. Remember. Good eaters. That's what I like to see. Oh, you're all sleeping here? This is amazing. I love Firefighter. I got the work, babies. Stay here and good. I'll catch you as I can. Love you all. You guys, love you all. There. Bye, Tiny. I'll miss brothers. I'll be back tonight. Hey, guys. You're all so big. I miss you. ADR. So, everyone. Good boy. Little fire grew up. Still can't tell you apart. Still can't tell you apart. The puppies are here. Not puppies anymore. Look how big they are. Sarah, they're beautiful. So happy here.
They're heroes. They survived.
They are heroes. I'm so happy we found each other. You're home. All of you. Look at you there. So strong. You. My miracle girl. Feel so happy together. They never apart. You're all mine. Forever. Heart. River. Brow. That night in the storm. We all saved each other. My baby, I miss you so much. Happy movers and parks. Good boy, bear. I love you, Tiny. You're back. I love you. Oh, you're full of life. You're full. I love you. My friends. Together always. We survived. We're living. This is my family. Okay, down. Stop it. My babies. I love you. My babies. Yes, all for you.